Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. If I put number 0 gone here and here, we got about 1 minus 1, we have 0. Side of number 0, we have 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have negative number 2 e to the power of 2x. First the derivative of this one, we have 3 cosine 3x. Later that we put number 0 gone here and here. And now we have the final answer. This one you got about number 1. This one we have number 1. So we have negative number 2 over 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.